Welcome to Delivery Hero. I'm Jason Lee. I'm from Fedora. Here today I'm talk about the taste of TypeScript with React Redux. Before we begin, I would like to mention about some introduction about the Delivery Hero. Delivery Hero is the biggest online food delivery platform. Our team focusing on technology, how to use the technology to deliver the best user experience to our customer. Currently, we are operating in 40 plus markets with more than 14,000 of employees over the world. Yeah, let's jump into the today's topics. Yeah, when I talk about TypeScript with some colleague or JavaScript developer, they are really scared because TypeScript annotation is so horrible. Also, yeah, we will meet a lot of problems. If you try TypeScript before, when some error happens, you will see a lot of red color on your console. So it's quite horrible experience. And that is true, because type annotation is not straightforward at all. Because JavaScript is so powerful language, it gives you a lot of flexibility for developer to do whatever they want. But here's my take on it. For every hour you spend on type annotation, maybe you will save some time on debugging on your runtime error. But not only that, because type annotation can be the documentation for your team. So your team, when they work on some new libraries or new modules, they can just put a dot and see all available properties. In the upcoming follies, you will see 3 examples of TypeScript in React Redux. First is about how to reuse read-only in the state of reducer. Second, how we use the properties in the action so that we can avoid some error. Maybe we will make in JavaScript. Also, how external library work with TypeScript. Let's jump into the first topic. Let's look at this reducer snappies. So you can see we are trying to modify the previous state in the reducer. Obviously, this is not correct because reducer should be a pure function. You shouldn't do something like this because it is something side effect. But with JavaScript, this is available because definitely this is syntactically correct. Nobody will complain about this, except someday maybe some customer complain about your website is broken. So let's compare with TypeScript. You can see with the TypeScript, the error is already displayed on your IDE. You catch this error even before you run the code on your browser. So TypeScript understands your code through the type declaration. You can see this is the state, how declare the state of the Redux store. You can see there's a read-only generic type. With this generic type, we can easily transfer our store to read-only. Let's talk about another topic. Example, properties in action. In other OOP language, we usually use class to create objects, so everything have a template. So IDE understand your code easily. But in JavaScript, there's a more flexible, dynamic way to create your own object. We use object literal everywhere. In our action creator, maybe reducers, they are everywhere. But it is so dynamic, so IDE didn't understand it well. So here's the challenge. We have an action object here. Can you guess what is inside this property? Basically, you can't do that because JavaScript have no idea about your object at all. So you can see here I try to access a lot existing property inside action. But JavaScript don't understand, so it lets you do this. Here's our hero, TypeScript. So you can see TypeScript in the IDE. This is Visual Studio Code. It already catch the error. You know this property does not exist in this action. Not only that, you can see if you put a dot after the objects, you will immediately show you the available property. And the last example is about external library integration with TypeScript. Basically, we use a lot of external library. This is unavoidable in modern JavaScript development. Basically, TypeScript allows you to have type declaration, actually, which is a file declare the shape of your code, so to let TypeScript understand what is inside in the external library. And you can enjoy the TypeScript features like your own type declaration. Definitely type is a repository which contains a lot of external library type declaration. You can just using npm add types and then slash your library and install the external type declaration super easily. So this is how we work with the type declaration. We download it online. So you can see in this component we are trying to assign a non-existing style property inside the style attribute. You can see TypeScript can catch this kind of error. Let me give you a quick summary about the talk. TypeScript can catch an error even before you run the code. Second, the autocomplete is amazing. You bring you amazing developer experience. You just need to put a dot behind object. Every property will display for you. And also, TypeScript work with other external libraries. So basically, you don't need to worry about your existing library. Well, I think that is. I want to thank you again, everybody here. And if you have any further question or additional information, please feel free to talk to me. And also, there's a Git repository which contains the code. Exactly, this is actually this code. This sample example is from Redux MVC. So basically, I'll be writing with TypeScript. So basically, you can compare the code line by line. How's the feeling about TypeScript and JavaScript? Also, you can just run the npm install and install everything and try the TypeScript, how the TypeScript feeling. Thank you.